Hello everyone. So in the last video, I was checking out the Vibe code experience in Power Platform and looking that how it will be like, able to generate an app with just a prompt, and it was so good. So what I will do today that I'll try to attach with my Dataverse tables. So I'll just put a prompt and see like what it will suggest, because at the moment if I just show you, it's a data model and then the full data has been saved in the JSON. So if you see in tables, in memory tables, and it has all those details. So it is like obviously like we require some kind of database behind this. So let me just put that prompt here and see. I want to use Dataverse editors table, data source. So I will just. So it says like, yeah, so yeah, create the tables in the Dataverse. You need to go to the Power Admin Center, create as a child, and then for the child columns, and then discipline, name, color, and then I would just say connect the app to the. Yep. So I just say I'm like, let me provide some detailed schema. So it just show me like what tables are required in the columns as well, and then steps to connect to that. So let's see like how rich is like the prompt, and then it's what it will be doing with our app. So I'll just say provide detailed scheme specification. Okay, so discipline, then child, and then so first so is saying is when we go on top, and then it just says that what we need to do. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just create these tables with column details, and then put it there. And I think it's even it just give me like the choices as well, choice field, and then booking table columns, and status choice field, so which is quite good. Let me just go into my Dataverse and then create the table over there. Come back, and I just created these four tables in my Dataverse. So let's see like what it is been saying. Then return to this app builder, this table will be available to import as Dataverse connected tables. So all right, I'll just mention I've created the tables in the Dataverse as advice. Not sure this is advised, yes. Basically, I've created, as I mentioned, I've created those tables in my Dataverse, and then it's now, and then I add it over here. And now once I just update on my this prompt window. Welcome back in my different clothes. So what happened that last time I recorded my whole video with the demo of my of this app, but the issue is that like seems like it didn't record that one. So now I'm again back, and let's see like how this application ends up, and am I able to add a new data with in the data source. So let's see. So this is my app like which has been created through Vibe. So let me just go and view children, and then because there's no children added, so let me just go back into this one, and then here, so there's no data over here. So yeah, so basically what I can go again and then register a child. Let me first register a child over here. So I will just go with my son name, and then like because I cannot go back into this date, I'll check in my different video, and then I'll try to see like if I can add a new data field over here, and then data control over here, date control over here, date control over here. So yeah, and then I just put intermediate, and then I put my name, and then email address, and then yeah, I'll just register my child over. So this is now registered. Let me just go and see like if it's been added. So I'll go and click on this edit and see like yeah, I can see Ahmed is being added over here. So yeah, so let me just go back again, and let my daughter name over here, and then come on, spring again with me. Alright, okay, I'll just put something, put the 27th of 77th September 2022. Alright, okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. There's my 27th September, and we'll say she is kind of a beginner and nothing. Banner name is Shakir, and I'll just copy from here, put it here, copy number here, put it here. Yep, and saved it. Let's go back and see if it's pick from our Dataverse tables. So let's just move, and yeah, total children it has shown, view children, yep, so it just shows 2, and then I think that's really good. So yeah, yep, so that's it. So for the next video, we will know the next video. I was thinking to add to use this app which is on the React, to use it into my canvas application, maybe doing, or maybe some different scenario will come up. Till then, take care and enjoy your life.